Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the 20th annual Crusin for a Cure car show here in Costa Mesa, California. We're all set up, the rain has passed by, and cars are starting to cruise around, and it looks like a beautiful day. We just got through uncovering the 57 Chevy, so we got it out there as well. You can't miss us. We're at 203 Lucas Road in the event center. So we're at the OC Fairgrounds. Come by and check us out. We've got some special show specials here. We've got a 15% coupon that is good till October 4th. So that's till this coming Friday. Be sure to stop by if you Tri-5 owners and pick up one of those. Also, beyond that, it becomes a 5% discount till the end, till October 28th. So again, even if you miss the 15% off, which I highly recommend you take advantage of, you still get a 5% after that. So we're just kicking it here while the cars are starting to cruise by. We're all set up. We're ready for you guys. Come on down. Just kind of do a little pan back down so you can see what's going on. There's our beautiful red 57, and you can't miss us with the our big flag there that helps you find us. So come on down. It's going to be a beautiful day. Going to be in the mid-70s. The sun's starting to break through, and we're looking for a good time. Just come on down and say hello to me and Sharon, and we'll be glad to take care of you guys. Talk to you soon.